Hey guys, are you want to buy best mops for tile floors? Then you are in the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best mops for tile floors that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1. Bissell Spin Wave Cordless PET Hard Floor. The Bissell Spin Wave has 2 rotating mop pads that easily power through dirt, scuffs, and stuck-on messes. We found this product to be the easiest to use because the mechanism does all the hard work for you. This electric mop is effective at cleaning tile, wood, linoleum, and other sealed hard floors. Since it doesn't use steam, the Spin Wave is gentle enough for most sealed flooring. This mop is cordless, so it's easy to maneuver, and each charge provides up to 20 minutes of cleaning time. Because it cleans so quickly, 20 minutes will more than suffice for even some larger spaces. Cleaning with this mop doesn't feel like hard work. We felt the motor working, and the mop was very easy to push along. It also cleans much faster than a typical mop can. The Spin Wave's on-demand spray mechanism allows users to control the amount of cleaning solution distributed. Another point in this mop's favor is that it comes with 2 soft touch pads and 2 scrubby pads. At number 2, Mop Microfiber Wholesale Store 18 Professional Mop. The extra wide 18-inch mop that makes quick work of large rooms. Microfiber Wholesale's mop set includes 3 microfiber mop pads, a dust pad to pick up dust and hair, and 2 wet mop pads to tackle dried-on messes. The gentle mop pads are safe to use on any hard flooring surface. They also can work on walls and the ceiling for full home cleaning. It's also light to move around, a bonus for people with injuries or limited mobility. Each mop pad is machine washable and long-lasting. The wet mop pads have foam cores and 2 types of microfiber. Microfiber loops around the pad's edges pick up larger pieces of debris, like hair and crumbs. The soft microfiber center grabs smaller pieces of dust and dirt, leaving tile floors squeaky clean. Now number 3. Bona Hard Surface Floor Premium Spray. Some mop sprayers emit too much liquid and can make floors too wet, which creates a slipping hazard and makes mopping difficult. But not so with this spray mop. One nice thing about Bona's mop is that it has a fine mist sprayer, which coats floors in a layer of cleaning solution without making. The mop's refillable 34-ounce floor cleaner bottle comes pre-filled. Its large size contains ample spray for large rooms, so there's no need to stop and refill the fluid in the middle of a cleaning. It also won't need to be replaced quickly, which is very helpful. Those who are looking for reusable mop heads and have lots of obstacles to navigate while cleaning should consider the Bona mop. The mop head is made of a washable microfiber, which allows for gentle cleaning, and it has rubber corners to protect furniture and baseboards while scrubbing. It's a great mop for most everyday uses and in homes. At number 4, Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System. The Shark Genius's mop head has channels that distribute steam from edge to edge throughout the mop head. The steam creates an ultra-wide cleaning zone to tackle messes on tile floors. For stuck-on stains, the Shark Steam Blaster feature sends a targeted stream of steam to loosen dirt from corners and grout lines. One of the Genius's unique features is that instead of a single-sided cleaning pad, the mop head has a double-sided cleaning pocket. Simply flip the head over when one side of the pad is soiled and continue cleaning. Each absorbent side has cleaning grips that lift and trap dirt. After cleaning, the soiled mop pad can be released with the press of a button, right into the washing machine or laundry hamper if you like. This is also a great mop for apartments because it can clean a variety of surfaces. Because it doesn't take up too much space, it can easily fit in a closet or store hanging on a wall. And our last product is Bissell Symphony Pet Steam Mop and Vacuum Cleaner, for those who have pets and usually have to vacuum their floors immediately before washing them. This 2-in-1 vacuum and mop system can be a big time saver. The Bissell Symphony Cleaning System vacuums, sanitizes, and steam cleans floors, all in one sweep. Its vacuum draws up dust, dirt, and pet hair, and its dirt canister has hands-free emptying with the push of a button. Right behind the vacuum are the steam cleaning feature and mopping pad, which tackles dirt and stuck-on messes. This handy cleaning tool is safe to use on all sealed hard floors in the home. Just keep in mind that you need a container with a spout to fill up the water cup. The Symphony kit includes 2 washable mop pads, 1 soft option for light cleaning and 1 scrubby pad for bigger messes. Because the Symphony mop was originally designed for cleaning up after pets, it can also be used with Bissell's disposable mop pads. So what did you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.